Unit 7B review. Number 4. Using the inverse of cosine, find the measure of angle R. Round to the nearest degree. Cosine is the adjacent side to the hypotenuse. So angle R inverse cosine. When you don't know the angle, you have to use the inverse. The adjacent side attaches the angle to the 90 degrees, so 54 over the hypotenuse. The hypotenuse is opposite of the 90 degree angle. Make sure your calculator is in the correct mode. It needs to be in degrees. To get the inverse, you do second cosine. 54 divided by 72. Rounded to the nearest degree, that's rounding to the nearest whole number. Look one place behind the 4. We'll leave this alone as 41. So the measure of angle R is 41 degrees. Number 5. Using the inverse of sine, find the measure of angle S, round to the nearest degree. Sine is the opposite leg divided by the hypotenuse. So the measure of angle S, when you use the inverse sine, we use the inverse when we don't know the measure of the angle. So sine is opposite, so opposite this angle is 84. Divided by the hypotenuse of this triangle is 112. It is the opposite of the 90 degree angle. So inverse sine, press second sine to get the inverse. Do 84 divided by 112. Rounded to the nearest degree, so the nearest whole number, look one decimal behind. That 5 will make it round up to 49 degrees. So the measure of angle S is 49 degrees. Number 6. Using inverse tangent, find the measure of angle M, round to the nearest degree. Tangent is opposite side divided by the adjacent side. So angle M, using inverse tangent, we have to use the inverse of tangent because we don't know the angle measure. This can find the angle measure for us. From the angle, opposite is 36 divided by adjacent from the angle. Adjacent attaches the angle to the 90 degree, so that's 16. Press second tangent to get the inverse tangent. 36 divided by 16. Rounding to the nearest degree. Look one decimal behind, the 0 will leave that at 66 degrees.